To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
I was doing fine on my own. Had my dreams, never needed nobody to call my own. Then you came along. Oh, Early morning, late at night, working hard to build my life. I had no time for promises, no room for sweet talking lies. I watched my heart, I kept it safe. Love was never in my place, but you kept knocking at my door, and I finally took your hand. I told you I was scared to fall. You said you'd never let me down. And little by little, wall by wall, I begin to fall. I let you in when I swore I never would. Gave you my heart that I protected like I should. I brought you home, let my family call you friend. I never knew you'd be the one to break my heart in the end. Oh, I let you in. I let you in. You came dressed confidence, money talking.
Watch out.
How are you doing yourself?
Why, you know, say my auntie bar, me just around here. I know she me there a wait pan. She a take blasted long and me want drink and sitting to smoke. So,
Alright, give me a beer then. Give me one beer then, hot beer man.
hot beer.
Yeah, but not pulling. I don't like people pulling me drink.
Alright.
Give me a drink back on my way home, you know? Cause
So,
my brain want rest.
I'm to your brain
I
now.
come to talk to you about Diamond.
I'm to Diamond.
I think she not think right. Head
Why?
not straight.
Why?
The type of man them when she keep, or when she a take, or when they look her. I don't like that style there. She a young girl. And my daughter, which is your best friend. So that's the reason why I come to you. Because she not listen to me, you know, so maybe she will listen to you. Every man when she take up, them not spend no money on her.
You can't wait
No
for
money.
You can't wait, man. Remember, say things take time, you know, and every time slow, you know. So just give some time. See me in a bar same way.
You sometime, my daughter. She a
No,
big woman, you know.
the man,
And you know.
if she have a man, the man can give man some time. Probably at
You
this
want to tell me
time.
say every man when she there with, me fi give them time. Me not see no improvement. Look here, girl. The reason why me come to you, you know, me just want you to talk to her for me. Cause as me tell you, maybe as a friend she will listen. Cause she has said me want run her life. I me want choose for her. I don't really choose
No,
me choose
but
for her. Every
one
mother
mother-
need the best for their child.
Yeah, our mother have to know what they must see, what them must see wrong.
Yeah, listen. You see what me go through in a real life, I don't want my daughter come go through it.
Me understand.
One heap of sufferation and one heap of sitting back at it. Me want the best for her.
Yeah.
Someone should take up a good man we can spend money on her. Like how the man them must spend money on you.
So yes, me
So-
there so I work same way.
It no matter. Right now, working here so no a problem. And my daughter and the type of man when she take up is the
Me
problem.
go talk to her for you,
And
man.
you know as a best friend.
Me go talk to her. Me get her talk. But you know say she stubborn and she not take telling.
You see you know as a best friend.
No, but
You
come
see, to
on,
me,
you're
know you-
mother. Exactly, you're the mother now. You know, must know how she says. Stubborn and not listen. If
Me
you
know.
talk to her, but me talk to her too, you know.
Me know. But you see you as a best friend, as I said before. I want you to find a man, give her. Like the man them where you have will take care of you. So
But
when you find a good man for her, the man will spend money on her just like how the man them
yeah,
spend money on you.
but what if the type of man them when me like do not like her?
And not even that. I think you make one mistake, you know.
What me do?
Maybe she don't like the type of
The man
man them
them,
where
ah,
you have.
so me no
because
know.
she a idiot all when I'm
Me
daughter.
I go talk to her, man.
Please,
Me I
me
talk to
beg
her.
you. Me talk to her 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 million times.
Me I talk to her. Me I give her one more one. Me I,
And every
me I
time
talk
she
to her.
dey
Me not go
cuss.
talk like say I mix up her. Me hear something.
Right.
Me just so talk to her like you know.
Yes.
Me no hear nothing and just.
Cool.
Yeah, so
Because she always like go and like, you know, like I choose you want choose me mommy. You know
No.
then kind of way there was some kids stay through
Yeah.
then grow up and turn adult know them feel so you can't tell them
Yeah.
nothing again. Cause them know everything when they don't know nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She said me I choose for her. Me fi give her time make she choose for herself. But who she choose and pick and choose until she refuse and choose the wrong person all the time. You understand?
Me talk
So
to
please
her.
me I beg you. You
Me
don't have to
talk to her.
mention it as you said.
No, me
like
not mention it. Me
just
talk to
just
her.
not tell her say me come to you.
Yeah.
Just tell her say you go find a man for her.
You go find
Just
me.
like the man where you have.
Alright.
Me
Me do it.
me need you to
Me
find
talk
a
to her,
good
man. Me talk to her. Believe me, me talk to her. Me tell you to talk to her still, but me get one more talking.
As I said before, I need you to find a good man where have money to spend on her just like how few man have spend on you. Anyway, that me did come to talk to you about. So me I take a run right now.
Alright, me
I'm
call
going to
her.
cool down my nerves. Because headache, she had given me to go drink a beer. A hot beer then, so me if you drink when time you pick me, they bother you drink a hot beer. So later, yeah?
Alright, don't make she get
cool.
sick.
Bless up yourself.
Aye.
Yeah, nobody call me name to her, just talk to her.
Alright. Let me call the girl here. Girl, good night, girl.
Good night.
Me say if you ever know what happened since night.
What happened?
Your mother no come here.
For what?
Well, she talk be things master. She talk be foolish because me not understand how that work because you have a problem with your man. I mean, I understand how that work. Like she want run your life. She say, I be a broke man you there with. You have to find one man to spend for you. It's all like she want kind of control her life, but that not have nothing to do with her because she live her life already, you know.
So why should I do something like that?
I don't know. I come to me, say me fi talk to you. I don't understand how me supposed to talk to you.
Mommy not easy at all. But I'm my life, me choose who more and do it.
Exactly. And that me I say.
I
But
don't
miss-
mind from them, bro.
But miss,
Every man come to me what if you do. We run them down.
you see I want somebody to spend for you.
So who tell I say? The people
Me
they
say
not-
at the message me I just bring on because I wish old lady say. So me I try to bring her to you. Say she a talkie. So me don't know if I me alone to sit down and say this too, but it look like she really a hold some meds. She not hold meds none time me fi say.
Well, never go talk to her now. Come on,
Yeah, you have to go make she know. You have to make she know.
know.
You have to make she know say yeah your life. It just not nice because me not like how she a behave when I talk about you. As a friend.
Talk to her.
Yes. So I hope you're alright. Take care. You hear me there? I want a little place here so with my auntie at work.
Yeah, man, do your thing.
Yeah.
Bro, you come like you not listen to what me I say. Yeah, listen?
Me I hear you.
Me I tell her say, mommy got to my friend that I wonder, and I tell her, say me need to get one man where take care of me because everybody me talk to, they not take care of me. Why mom would I do a thing like that? Mommy knows say me and her can't talk about anything, and she gone to Wanda and talk to Wanda before she come to me, bro. Like, me literally can't take this no more. You need to talk to your mother.
Me fit talk. I must joke this. Me fit talk to mommy for what?
She can't come to me and talk to me herself. What she a go to Wanda and I tell Wanda things for and then Wanda feel they call me and I
But
complain.
sis, that does not have anything to do with me.
Yeah, my bigger brother. So, if me no want to talk to Wanda, and you me go come to fit talk to. So, no tell me say that I have nothing to do with you.
Listen to me. The best thing you do is talk to mommy. Remember, you and mommy have a better relationship than me. You know? Remember, say she always a cuss me out and I go on certain way, you know, because me can't start my own business and me hardly get her money. You know?
Mikey, listen. Done. Me sorry me dey come to you. It better me dey turn when me dey and go call my friend and talk to my
You're
friend
right.
than me come to you. Because you no make no sense. Yawa, you no make no sense right now, you know. No sense you no making in my life. You say you're my bigger brother. Me as a little sister can't come to you and talk to you and then you go tell me if you just go to mommy. You could have go to mommy and talk to mommy and say, mommy, guess what? Me not like when you go to Wanda and say certain things to Wanda. Go to Daima himself.
Listen to me. The same way how you are telling me say I can tell mommy this and that and you can't talk to Wanda because you feel away whatever. The same thing you're telling me you can tell her. You understand what
You
I'm
know
saying?
get what me I say now. Let me break it down when me I say to you now. What I am saying, same way how mommy can go to Wanda and Wanda come back to me can come to you and you go back to mommy. You understand what me I say?
That's too much Chinese telephone business. Me can't bother with this.
After me not speak Chinese.
Me can't bother with the message send this and then. I'm not upon that. If I anything later, just do what you have to do. Cause right now, me hungry and me tired. So if I anything.
No, cause you want hungry and tired. Are you want hungry and tired?
No, but I know
Have a wonderful day.
Go on, Kenny.
Yo, where you going away?
Yeah, walk down.
What you mean, man? Power down. Just I take a nap a while ago, because you don't know a thing. Go. It's been a while though, you know?
Yeah, I'm a friend.
Ease up there.
Sorry, mother.
So life.
Boy, it's a stressful life. Stressful, my friend.
Let me tell you something, I can't have nothing stressful, brother. You see me, when I do my thing, and stress come, I just know say I have to just, you know? Know if I get rid of it sometime. I go burn a spliff.
Spliff.
You know, find a way off it.
Right now,
find
between me and you,
some
Spliff can't help me right now, my friend. Spliff
Really?
can't help me. Spliff can't help me. Amount of things are going on in my life right now.
Bro, one thing I tell you. Nothing can stop what will happen certain way.
No,
You understand me I say?
No, they weird, man.
If you have money, I make money, you know, that's it, you know. You have a
Money
job right
alone.
now, no choice.
Brother, that me try to tell us, say, yo, you know, hard take for jump up something for your forward eye barber shop here to right now, my friend.
Right
And then
down.
as I make it, me I bring it come here, so, and then me not have nothing to come on again. It gone, everything gone,
Yo.
start all over.
Hear me, I say, man. And just one thing you have to know.
Everything gone all over
Listen, me, I
again.
say, man. It's a friend. Your life. That's the best
Life.
thing. Find
No.
two photos. If you can organize certain stuff, brother.
Yo, actually don't even know my friend.
Woman can take care of man, too.
Yeah, woman can take care of man too, but wait, in a which generation?
This a generation, brother. Right now, me I tell you, say, me I try to organize myself, because me also always have go around some woman where, you know, not have nothing. And for me, not, you know, like I see you know, that the frame there. It's like, for me I say to myself, say, I waste my time. You understand? Very regular.
Regular.
Alright. Yo, take off the time now.
Real friends hard to find. But nowadays, none of them disappear when life get rough. Yeah. From we a picnic barefoot, we walk go school, one lunch we share, we live
See,
like brother.
every
When
time
trouble come, we never
every time
run,
me a
them
pass
days
this
are
barber shop,
gone.
one Rasta man. He always stand up by the door like he might lay with me and he always a call to me, but it look like I want barber. I don't know if my barber or just I hang out spot right there, so but you know. But one day me a pass and him a go ask me if me a baby. Me say make me heart skip one beat to
No,
the
you
other.
know you well want pick me down.
Me a tell you, cry on me a say.
And what happened again? You like him?
Well,
Which Rasta man you talk about?
and in name Kenny. So they call him Kenny. So I say him.
And he short and black. And if I see him Rasta man here?
Yeah,
you
black.
think?
And he ever in a one black class.
Ah. I'm saying 1 month. A good boy, you know.
And did I look you?
No. You already look here, but sometimes I wish he did look me, but he don't pay me no mind.
What?
I joke me a bit.
Man, that's all, you know.
I joke me a bit,
Must have
man.
your friend, you know.
Man,
Be
oh
careful,
God,
you
look how
know,
far we are
speech
come from.
there.
And me say I joke me a make with you.
Yes,
Look, so what about him now? You want so you give me baby?
Listen to me when I reach right there, so as yet, you know. We just get a part where, you know, he asked me to go on a date, and me I think about him, I'm not sure, but, you know.
So you have man?
Hmm?
You have a man?
No, you know, so me not no man, you know the type of lifestyle me kind of.
Yeah, that me I wonder. So
No.
you have a boyfriend now?
I don't have none.
And the Milala?
No, what kind
No,
of
but
friend
just I
of-
wonder
what kind
if
of
I'm
friend of
Milala.
You know how me stay and what me capable of. So, oh yeah,
No,
ask
me
if
know
I have a
say.
man now.
Trouble me a trouble you. You can't run joke. No, sir.
You know, so me serious when it come out to certain things.
So you like him?
Yeah. Yeah. You can go and you'll give me 1 date and see what you can do. You know, so sometimes we say like somebody and then we don't go for 1 date with them, you dislike them. So, you don't know yet.
Yeah, that too. You can do your thing, try your thing and see if it work out.
Yeah. So, you want to go have a drink now?
Yeah, why not? Put up on the beach.
Party time. Come on.
Come on.
Yeah, bad bro.
Yeah, man.
Same thing, bro.
Yeah, me G, me love you look for you.
Yo, you want to go on? That one up on your house?
On the house, say, give me that one, yeah.
Yeah, man, you don't know it.
Oh.
Yo, we're friends, you know. So you don't know
Yes.
the vibes.
Yeah, I mean,
So we shall get it. Yes, sir.
love you look, my friend.
Big up yourself, see?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You man, so I say, reason man, serious about certain things. I'm telling you, yo, ask if you have a baby before. Because why when we put us in? You understand? Original put us.
Oh boy.
Can you tell a lie now? Can you talk certain things? You say, can you a king? Only way you can be a real king if you're a real queen. Let me get to me and say to you.
I understand you, Kenny. I understand everything you're saying, but no, I don't have a child.
Yeah, I know, and I say, looking at you, you have to have a duplicate at some point, you know? Because, you know, the God, the God in heaven knows, say, you know, angels. I'm left you alone. But they are now, and I will first official sit down and have a drink outside of everything else. Me out at the barber shop, you know what I mean? And you just in my comfort zone and now. Just so you understand, say, I eat this, I eat this.
What do you mean?
Like me and you, I don't feel like if you go think about another relationship because I want to make sure it's me you're comfortable in such a way. You know my thing set me at the back of my garden, you know. Bartender! You know, at the back of the garden, just there, we drink over and drink and move on. What you like? B-side? Anything? What you like?
Yes, I will go with the Hennessy.
Hennessy.
Yeah,
My
Hennessy.
type. My girl. So as me say, you know, we have to take it slow. But we also take it at a pace so we're comfortable for both of us. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, give me such a yeah, easy. You know. It was time to see you pass the barber shop and I stop off for you and I say roop, but you always just hold it straight like me exist, you know, but that says wisdom as well.
Yes, that said wisdom as well, but we never really prepared for a relationship and I wasn't like, I never did I take it serious, you know?
So what happened now?
Well, it ain't nice. I enjoy myself. And even fun is a fun person. I enjoy myself. Boy, he make me laugh so till me nearly drop down. But guess what? When me say boy can't dress, me mean say he can't dress. You want to see Paul when he come out, you know? You know,
Oh, God,
you know,
man.
so me a dollar already, so me a go come out.
Of course, of course.
Yeah. But yeah.
So, you give him no front yet?
No, not as yet. You know.
Why you doubt him, man?
Me not doubt him, but me just want to feel him out. Me just want to know what he's capable of. Me just want to know where he want to go with this. You understand?
Yeah, me understand what you're trying to say. But a good boy, no? A good boy.
You don't talk like you dated him before.
I tell you already, so me never date him yet, but me did like him.
Oh,
You understand? But you and him a talk, you know, me only can tell us, so you try a thing. A good somebody. You know, I know him long time, man. Really, you know, but me know him long time. Yes, me and him never date yet.
Yes, I know, because if you ever date me, that just cut off the
No, but me did like him though. But you know, one of the barbs so I say nothing about that. So you say up to you now.
You know, so me did
So you know,
me get ready to figure out
me ask you, he asked you for nothing?
No, he not ask me for nothing. I thought I say a good boy, but you know, no one can help me do yet.
You know, can help you
no,
do
I'm not telling him yet.
When you decide, I'm going to tell him that.
I'm not sure, soon. Just go and watch and see. Until me just ready, me just tell him if he go and so he go. I think see I just say.
What if you fall and him find out and not like it? You have to know where you are doing, so if you like him, you like him.
Guess what?
If he like you, we understand, you know?
Guess what? As I reach that bridge there,
you cross it.
But for now, just make it on this song.
I'm not say nothing. Alright then, I'll do just keep me updated.
No problem. So me I go on the work, so me link you.
Alright.
Yo! Lex! What on me, Jay? Just rich! How you mean?
How you mean?
What's that?
How long are you there for?
There till Sunday.
Sunday?
Yeah.
Jaja.
Yeah. Painting them. Not even to talk to the people there, but I paint it become fun.
Eh?
Yeah?
You want to go to, you know, but you don't know you can't do for me. I'm glad you're forward to, you know.
Yeah, man. So many a trip.
Photos. My place this. Yes, I'm a place. You get me, I say?
Yeah, sir.
And this I first, you know, official, as me say, want to be a part of my life, type of thing. I mean, a part of my life more heavy. You know, cause look upon it, when we're at the bar and we're there easy, we are drink and we are have a little time, it's like, you know, if I going so right and righteous, which part made us come like say, I just saw if you go for a long time. Allow me to tell?
I don't like to tell. But
if you tell me, you can't tell me from knowing, because I'm tell you right now, it makes sense. We have secrets between each other, because at the end of the day, you know, so me a barber. And, you know what I mean? And for me think set away, I don't really.
why you have to always have that?
I don't really trust people like that. And everybody me trust me, I'm like a virgin them. You don't see me around brown man sometimes, you don't see me with Lex. You know what I mean? Pops saying soon flying. Because Pops when they're foreign, you know, and so forth.
So
but,
I like you lie so?
I mean, I must lie to my business. It's a business, man, you know. You have to understand that part there.
Well, me have a job.
Have a job?
Yeah, but the thing is, a type of job that I have.
What kind of job you have? Don't get afraid to talk to me and tell me. Talk to me, put us.
You know, like, I'm a stripper.
So what's wrong with that? It's not like you're self-front, you're a stripper. You're different. You know what I'm saying? Different.
You alright with that?
I mean, say me alright with that, baby. You work, put us, Jesus Christ. Listen to me. You get a man now, you know, who understand you and want to understand you for you, you know. And there's nothing I'll change, nothing at all. You get to me, I say? Because I just me and you. So if you know, say, you don't really want me to me from now, but separately, me know, say, me want you. And come on, every time I see you, me just, you know, like, just your body alone, your face, everything just turn me on to a high degree. You know what I mean? Me not to rush certain things like, say, boy, more, like, when I'm yard, I'm going to run in the room and pull in the room and rate it. But I don't want to do that still, you know. But at the end of the day, I go on like, you know, ropes. I don't know anything set. You know, it's us taking our time, being comfortable, and you being comfortable because wow, when you give me good, you know. You know, if you do your thing, you know, just look for you. And then once they go tell me, say, you know, Jesus.
Kenny.
That's cool, Diamond. Diamond. I'm sure color. You know something I color Diamond? Photos. Yeah, my photos. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So what I said no, it's like tomorrow. Alright, so mom me just go have a nice go sit down dinner, eat some nice food and enjoy ourselves. Cause that's what it's all about. That's what life is all about. You know, you work hard, you know, and you have certain things set. You have to just know say boy, I have a partner, you know, I just straight enjoyment from here on. You get what I say?
I get me, yeah.
Photos. You hear me I say photos?
Yeah, Kenny.
I want to love you, you know, if you're always, you know, up to par, like, you know, like something I keep and you want, you know, make sure you know, prepare feel hot. You know what I mean?
It's just a habit. I just feel like say when a woman inside there if you always properly dressed no matter what. When you go out, you shine like a diamond.
That is why you are the diamond.
Exactly.
Photos. Die. I want photos. Yo, hear me now. As me tell you, I'm supposed to link up with Lex them today. And so forth, because I'm at my barbershop and let me tell you something. See, my barbershop is like it's not even like a barbershop. See? It's a place where people just forward and just enjoy themselves. More time we play domino, more time we just enjoy ourselves out at front time.
I always wonder why so much crowd there that one barbershop. Like every time I pass, I never see a barbershop empty.
And that. One Lex.
Bad man, where you do so long, bad man? You know, lang, me buy it, never wait for your time, say you're there for your way, lang.
Brother, don't vex, man. Don't vex, you know things, eh.
So I go on differently, Kenny.
Yeah?
Do you make
Yeah, bossy.
yeah, man, bossy yourself.
I see you
man.
talking about work a beef bar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
bossy. See it there. Brother. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, cheers, TMG.
Yo, I tell you right now, based on now, he did run for me today.
Mm-hmm.
And mama, I can't go to my yard and go show her going and thing. But
Yeah, live large.
you must be
Bossy. You mean?
Yeah, that's easy, man.
You mean? So,
I want a girl named Diamond, you know.
Diamond.
Mm.
Diamond. And you have sound familiar, do you have sound familiar? Where she come from?
You see her more wild, man. She in a place like up and down and all around and come here tell you more wild.
I can't tell you saying a bad man. Oh, then girl, there are chicks that can artists, them and my friends. So, you if you know if you want to get chick.
And it's a trick. We have to, brother, let me tell you something. I never have a problem with who a girl want to be in as long as me know so me I get up if you get certain way. You never answer me, I say.
Overstand, man.
So you think so, brother?
Overstand. Man.
If you bar, that's a bar. If you barber shop today, I tell you say yo. When she said she had far with certain women, I said, Jesus Christ. Couldn't believe I know me get the girl and still feel like me get the girl.
You get the girl and you don't feel
Me
like
don't feel like I get her because you know so when
No, so you know.
fire on a gas certain way, you know, say everything is start out official. When you forget what I say?
Yeah, so friend, you lost me. It's like you get the girl, but you don't get the girl. So you confuse yourself too. You're not sure if you get her yourself.
Nah, man,
No.
for your father, me yard, and, you know, she's a nice, decent girl. Me can, a long time I want her, you know, come. You know, I shop past at the barber shop and I say to myself, boy, how me can get to talk to her a certain
So-
way? Me get her, can I talk?
So I want to tell a girl before she die, man.
Which girl then?
Okay, that's all I want to know, my brother. I just want to know still say.
Yeah.
You don't know me say what day, no pops me say what day.
Eh.
Yeah, no, today, since
Since the, can you see my flying, you know?
me see him, no, he tell me say he just fly in. See him, say he want to come give a check. You don't see him, no?
Can't see, brother. I'm going to tell you something like the barber shop earlier
Yeah,
today.
man. Yeah, man. So
Lock up.
So I just so I knew cat you like the barber shop early for.
You don't know a thing about it for us, but then again, as I said, tomorrow, you know, regular day, we're going to, you know, have our enjoyment, play domino and so forth. So what you do today? What you do today? That's a big question I ask you.
Boy, for me the long, you know.
I tell her brother, I say, yo, I talk to the girl I barber shop and yo, believe me, say, yo, me feel good. Even though you know, so we do few things, you know. We do few things, you know, brother.
What do you have a chat about that? You don't know, say, what do you go see?
The figure, yeah. Big Dad!
Kenny King.
What you mean?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I like how you have a soldier in your foot.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, most man.
You know the thing,
I'm
bro.
like Gary off a place, but what do you, let me tell you the truth, you know. Make sure, see, me alone, you give thing for them my price, you know.
So I must you alone, figure. Figure make it sound like, say, boy, I go around. You don't go around thing, bro.
Boy.
Straight
Price, sweet.
That is it.
You see rich already, you know.
Yo.
But that way you see my riches.
Yo.
That way I'm sure say glory.
You rich, you man.
Yo, that play with them, man, you know. You,
So to them go.
let me tell you this, yeah. Make sure say you protect your general head back. You see if I fly pitch on him, that fly there for dead. Remember nothing of a bother general head. You see it? Then again, that man a thing governor road.
That's cool, man.
Yo,
Figure it
if
easy,
you're
brother.
in there, you buy up too much car in that place, you know.
No,
I
listen.
don't want them boy, they are pray thing, bro.
That's true still. But you know.
Remember saying that, bro.
No, that's why I buy people car, because I know when a man feel like saying can pray and say, oh, see my forward it. See my road.
But your name a call though, but the girl never chat, boy. Never chat, boy. Yo! Live ready. Where put that there?
See that. Yo,
Put that there.
you can see what I go on.
We don't want to see what
Now
go
my
on.
place is secure next. You make it look so. Everything is so fast. You understand?
Yeah.
Photos. Alright.
Yeah, alright.
I don't know, but there's something about you, you know, that it just, I don't know. I don't feel so comfortable while being around you.
Really?
Yeah, man.
I'm not drinking straw.
So tell me now, this is officially our, I'm not say first, second, or third official date where this is supposed to make you understand, say, me I feel, and you have for me, right?
Right. I don't know, but it just always make me a blush. Like, oh boy.
But it's something good, right?
Yeah, of
You can
course.
see me, I'm take out tomato to my eye.
There's no matter in your eye.
Woo!
Can you, like, seriously? You couldn't make it gun stay in that car.
No, so I feel always ready and keep it on a level where anything is anything, you know? Maybe secure and protect you, you know.
I understand that, but this is a public place. Like nobody not gonna really come over here like that.
Don't worry about that, man. The thing, I'm say the pan protection mode, you know?
Everything you say. But there's something about the water. There's something always feel good.
Wait.
I never said that. I did not say that, but by hearing it, it does sound. Yeah.
But you say you want talking about like your family, friend, or
Oh yeah, I was telling you about my friend. I have a friend that I wanted to meet. She like everything to me. Like everyone me there, she that with me. Like most time, certain business idea. When we talk about, she come up with the idea like tell me what to do. And so forth.
hairstyle nice, bro. I tell you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Admire it, trust me. Yeah, so this girl now, what you say, she kinda your backbone basically. See, give you ideas, keep you up to date.
Yeah. But I love for meet her though. Mother say like we are sister but we are just close friends. I not nobody else that I can call upon if I want somebody to talk to or if I want encouragement. I don't know then look away there or she me can call nobody else.
So what's your name?
Oh, her name is Wanda.
Wanda, okay.
Yeah.
Wanda, as in wonderful.
As in wonderful. You know her?
No, I just said, are you a friend, you know? Remember this, you know, you're a friend of your friend, my friend of my friend.
No, because she tell me say she didn't like you at one point.
What? What are you saying to me?
No, what you saying to me? You hear what I'm saying to you?
Not
That's
like
what
that,
she
no.
said. Even first time when I was talking about you, she was like, oh, you get that the man there, like, I was like, what?
So she gave good words. At the end of the day, you know, I know say there had to be somebody who you talk to and kind of, you know, get that confidence to know say boy, you know, and me if you choose. You know what I mean? But then again, me as a boy, I don't know if a family member or so forth, but I don't know
No, it's
if
just
you
a
know.
friend.
Just a friend.
Yeah.
Come on.
Well, she tell me say you are a good man. But I don't know how you don't know she, but she, well, probably she was a secret admirer.
Maybe know her by face, but not by like, you
Know
know, know her. You know, kind of way. I must say a barbershop me run, you know.
Well, that's true still.
And so forth, so, you know, anything possible. But yeah, if you say you want me to meet her, no problem. We can link up and we organize something and, you know, we just go up on a, you know, a link up spree with a back at a restaurant, eat some food or
Which restaurant?
anything you want.
No. We're not going to a restaurant to link up.
Babe, photos. Anything you say, you know. You hear me? Look for me, I'm gonna talk to you, baby. Anything you say. So when I feel like say me, I'm gonna run. Feel friend. I feel friend, not my friend. And the same thing more you have with my friend them. No, so my friend and your friend and your friend. So you feel like so boy, nobody no feel. Well, nobody not gonna violate. Virgin Lex, you know, Pops, you know, Brown Man, you know, them not gonna really, you know, run in certain way. Like, you know, some man friend, you know, feel like say them feel know them, you know, them friend woman or, you know, pick them up and carry them there so.
No,
you
I
know,
believe in that.
call this one, you know, how you doing and come on my yard, come check. And depend that, you know. You understand, but my friend them know me and know my style and my vibe, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm not really worried upon that basis. But, you know, it's a nice night and I feel like, you know, I'm not rush you, but I not really want, you know, that comfort of a live blanket, you know, tonight. Just a whole and rock. Remember, you know, everything established already, right? So the only thing we need to do now is just connect the establishment. If you know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean, but I know what you mean.
You know what I mean? Well, you know, stay with me tonight. Stay in the place tonight. So we can actually, you know, feel more comfortable with the journey that we're on right now and where we're going. You understand? Let me tell you something. A heart that is contented and satisfied are treasures that money can't buy.
Wow.
You understand me? And I want your heart to be so contented and satisfied. You know, so me, I want for you every single day. You understand? We are gonna be planting like the trees, you know? Watered by the rivers. When I forget what I try to say to you, I don't know surface thing I talk about. You know? I'm don't tell you say, make sure you have, you know, like a one, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know, for some reason I feel like any day we do, you get a girl.
Wow.
Yeah, I think so.
Girl.
Yeah, girl.
Well, I always want a girl baby still, so not my
Dial up the girl baby and you don't know the Kenny is king. You understand? So you don't know the thing now. But enough I talking. Drink up now. Enjoy your drink.
So why you telling me to drink up?
Not if you drink up because you know so Kenny can't do that. You know, have you want to drink one drink. And look how we start with, eh? It's because it come like a soft drinks, you know?
Yeah, better we start off soft. Well, no, what really I'm going to
That's true.
I know I make my brain go and
That's true, no rum talk. That's true, no rum talk. So baby girl, this is to us.
Us.
You ready?
Yes.
My putus. Say it with your mouth.
Kenny
Your-
Putus.
That is it, baby girl.
I was doing fine on my own. Had my dreams, never needed nobody to call my own. Then you came along. Yeah.
Hey girl.
Early morning, late at night, working hard to build my life.
Oh, yeah, go.
I had no time
Me
for
and
promises.
I may plan to go somewhere.
Me and you? You got a funeral?
No, come on, stop that.
We are going to Heels. Oh, you go for one date after this?
No. No, me and you plan to go somewhere.
Me and you?
Yeah.
You forgot to say my money and come meet?
But me have to dress nice same way.
Oh, so you have to dress nice to come see my man?
Girl, stop
Me
that.
and your best friend, you know. So I don't understand where you come off with. Look on you. Me never see none of them sitting here before. What kind of style this here?
But me have to dress nice same way.
No, this not look good.
Alright.
Me feel like you no bother do it. Me
No
feel
bother
like
with
you
that.
make
No
your
bother with
go.
that. Come on. We're gonna just eat one chill pops over there.
So you could get one sweater?
We gonna collect that. Wait. We gonna get it. We make somebody carry go and give me. No bother with that. Come on. Me say no bother with that.
Me I realize it.
No realize
Me
it.
I watch you smartly, you know. Remember you tell me say you didn't like me man, you
Me
know.
say did.
You did.
Yeah,
but
that
you
you say.
still can have little feelings for me, you know. Me not like this here. Me not
Diamond.
like this none
Diamond,
tall.
calm down. Calm down.
Wanda.
Me
What
say
you
calm
call me
down.
name for?
Look, we're gonna,
Oh, you
we're gonna have
expect me
some
to feel-
chill. Girl, I feel.
You feel like I
Let me
didn't
ask you
no,
something.
no, man.
Let me ask you
Wanda,
something.
listen. Wanda, you feel like I didn't date we are go pan?
Me can't dress nice. So me not normally dress nice.
No, Wanda. You're not just this nice.
Calm down.
I can't believe this to backside. Oh, you would have feel if me just like this come meet your man. Look, Fanny. Put
tell
yourself
us-
in my shoes.
Tell them say me send go get me sweater. Me go cover myself. You know reach yet. So come we got chill whatever island.
I feel like
Taste
to
the
call off
island.
this. I hate this so much. It's alright. Let me put that past me. Come
Exactly. Calm
on.
down.
We'll go get it.
Calm down. Yes, girl. So when you say I do feel night, yeah.
You know, afterwards you can leave and go somewhere. And go enjoy yourself a little bit before we go home.
Yeah, that can sound like a plan.
That sounds good, right?
Yeah, it sound like a plan.
You can do that. Hey.
Good.
Wanda, this is Kenny.
Hi,
Kenny,
Kenny.
this is
Okay, good.
Yeah.
A long time no do right? So,
Wanda, sit down over there.
Okay.
Go over there, son.
don't start early without me.
You never know.
Hmm?
Kenny.
You know that to them.
You
Hey,
know
listen.
what happened. You know what happened.
So this is your friend Wanda?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean, man? Wanda? It's a privilege to meet you. You know what I mean?
You know how they're ready.
Okay.
So make you happy yourself. All this, yes? It's nice. Belly hurt me.
You there, there?
Yeah.
When you ready now, so early?
Can you feel like I'm ready?
You're there? Alright, no problem.
So, you know.
Nice to meet you, Wanda.
Alright.
Wanda later.
I think I did it all with the dog way.
Eh?
We think we did all go together.
We did go away, but me change my mind.
Oh, serious? So, alright then, we just want to sit down in here, so too. Nice meeting you.
You can call somebody to come here or something.
Alright.
Glad you're coming. Because naturally, say, you make me daughter there. I'm glad that you she chose.
Respect,
If me never glad, no other time, I know me glad. Because me as a man like this as a father, me have to work. And when me I work and me I put in our pocket, you always I go the wrong way. I mean, I don't want that. A big woman still, you know.
I understand.
But you have to understand as a father, you know why your daughter take up a dirty craft.
That's true. That's true.
Me like when my daughter, it's so me I try to show you vehicle. Look more from now, you can lend me the vehicle, me go pick up two, get a bar.
Yeah, man, no problem. I'm not for the vehicle, man. It's just one, up and down.
No for other vehicle?
More economical. So, me really kind of love to drive that one.
Shy!
You know where you go, man.
Look at my daughter. What you say? What you can't talk to me again. Yeah, man.
Cool, man. I survive.
She behave though.
Yeah, man, she good, man. And as me say, me appreciate how, accept me in your family. You know what I mean? Cause that is something where kind of motivate me now if you know some boy, if you just hold the foot.
You're the best son-in-law, right, you know. Nobody can be there. Yo, if you have any problem in your relationship, just phone me.
That's cool, man.
Phone me straighten up her.
Yeah, pops. I
only hope she don't get no trouble. So, nothing can let her off, you know?
Yeah, man. I mean, man, if that you want, come just not too long even start out some business and so forth. So we want to do like something major or something small.
Right, I tell you the truth, JPS cut off the light at the same time waterman just come and just bung the pipe.
You have to link me, man. Pops, you have to link me, because at the end of the day,
that's why we link you now.
Everything good, man. You know what I mean? Alright, so, well.
I don't know how to monkey money these days, you know. You see some of them, man, they're still fisky, I do. Why, my daughter bless. Trust me. Why? The shame still cause when we did there with him, madam, we never bless her. We never be clear.
Well packaged up for you. Know what I mean? That was 15,000, man. You know what I mean?
You couldn't do better.
Yeah, but actually, right now, as I said, I'm going to start out more stuff
we never
in a place.
How much your place cut off the light for, you know?
How much you cut off the light for?
45,555 cents.
Pops, don't worry yourself, man. As I tell you,
and
everything.
the water we bung, 38,000.
38. Alright, no problem, man. No problem.
And the floor bill.
Just hold that as, alright, just hold that and buy a drink. Liquor more, I'm forward, because I go for here.
Just this alone, just buy a drink.
Just buy a drink.
Aye!
You never know what I say, go.
Yes!
Now, if you take care of you, because yo, you see, welcome when you give me another family.
Yeah,
Me can't get the family.
No, man, you're welcome a million times in the family.
That is it, that is it.
A million, you have to breathe that too, you know. If you don't work, you breathe that again. If you come and come out, you breathe that again.
Yeah, right. That's like pipeline, man. You don't know so far. You know what I mean?
Breathe that, man. I'm married her. So she
Aye.
can't get this and we get it later.
That's cool, man. Pops, you don't have to worry yourself, you know. As me say, me's a man where me's a street youth and, you know, me make sure say everybody good around me. So, you know, but if he say, boy, I'm not gonna make you, you know, secure. You're good, man. You answer me, I say, but me got to show you now, Pops. See, because as me say, I go back to the barbershop and start some stuff. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
man, start out here and go home, breathe her now.
Alright,
Tell me,
respect that, man.
man.
Man tonight.
Yeah.
Alright, Pops, respect, you know.
Yeah.
We shall get it.
Man. Proud of you, girl. I'm proud of you.
What happened, girl? I'm there. Good. So you call me for what problem?
My birthday season.
Yes, our birthday season. So wow.
We have to go make this one epic because remember say when it's my birthday, you know, we have to go out, you know. So I feel your birthday this now, you know.
You forgot to say things change now.
What
So,
change?
Remember Sammy and Kenny at all?
Oh, yeah, can you talk now? So you have to go talk to him, man, because we have to go. We have to do something for his birthday, yeah.
You're right, because we don't really want to change up a routine. for
Exactly.
Every year,
Like every year we do this. What happened? So
well, me talk to him and
you need
see.
to talk to him. Because right now me I think about beer things. Beer things.
Because we normally go party and dance and then
Oh, yes, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Me a plan for you. So talk to him, let me know where you're up to. If you want me to talk to him, I can talk to him for you too.
No, me talk to him.
Alright.
No remote the party. I can do that.
Alright.
So me talk to him and hear what he have to say. Why? Uncle whoop. Well, he will give me go ahead still. Hope so.
We must can do that for you, man, because you're birthday.
Yeah.
You have to go talk to him.
And then him a one busy man then again, so he must still give me go
Early
ahead.
morning, late at night, working hard to build my life. I had no time for promises, no room for sweet talking lies. I watched my heart, I kept it safe. Love was never in my place, but you kept knocking at my door. Then I finally took your hand. I told you I was scared.
You're my father, you're my father.
You said you never let me down. And little
Oh my good, come here. What? You look so like you had a bad day or something. How are you going?
No, me they alright.
So how are you going? You call me and tell me if you talk to me.
About my birthday.
Your birthday, yeah, you tell me your birthday. So, you have anything special planned say you want we accomplish for your birthday? Or? Talk to me now. Put us talk to me now, man, you go answer.
And all the time I see me always a blush. But it's like a ear to ear thing with me and my best friend that I do. Like we would go out to party and enjoy ourselves.
Anything you say still, I've been telling myself, I not stop your flow on certain things, because I understand, so I just, you know, get myself, you know, situated with the whole relationship
So look for
thing
me
and
now when you look
everything.
out the road.
No man, it's like me I think and I talk, so sometimes I think and talk, me have to look around. Oh, don't judge me, but I'll be a funny look, man. So you might say, your birthday, so we plan to go like one party or one club or one?
Well, we're not sure if a party and we're not sure if a club as yet. We don't decide that yet. I want to contact you and make you know what we are do first. And find out if you're alright with that. Because if you're not alright with it, you can't make me know.
Good man.
Yo, I want to go on a FaceTime because I'm not dominating.
Brother, me a fall. Look no. You understand? So come on. Why look gambling, man?
Take your time.
Alright, brother. Yo, you know, easy at all.
So gamble in there, gamble.
You know, Kenny vibes go already. You know, I feel like a thing and so forth. So long and short.
And so
Anything you
much
want to do,
money in
man.
that shop?
Kenny shop always full bill, girl. So you are going. Anything you want to do, man. Just give it. But remember, say, when you're done,
forward back before midnight so we can actually even have an hour with you. You understand?
Before midnight?
Even before midnight, that's a 4. They don't know anything though. Hour. Is that a problem to even beg if you hour for a day?
No. I don't have a problem. Of course, me I found back before a certain time.
Do it good then. Over yourself. I make some money. So we can fund your birthday operation. And an high five. You know, I go already. See it?
Yeah.
So later. Alright?
Alright.
Love your photos.
Love you too. Me call you, yeah?
Call me, man. You know, say reaching out whatever the case may be. Are you want some money to go shopping? Eh? I'm going to feed that for me. I come.
You may have broken what we had. You didn't break the woman I was before you came. I let you in, and I learned to close that door again. I was doing fine on my own. I'll be fine on my own again.
Hello?
Mommy,
Yeah.
what happened?
Why me there, you know? Today I'm so happy, you see. Girl, me happy so chill, cause my son-in-law buy something for sitting for
Mommy.
What happened? Just me alright, me I tell you how me glad, cause me never have so much grocery in all my life. First me get so much sitting in a supermarket. If I never him, me don't know how mother manage. Cause me couldn't pay for them. What you say?
Well, me call off to talk to you pertaining to him.
Theory, you know, I want, what? You say you want to engage, you know, want to engage, however.
Mommy, it's not about that. Mommy,
What?
alright, they see ever since me go talk to him about my birthday, he start move away.
Like how? You have to explain to me, you know, and tell me.
Like
how in
aggressive, and
Yeah.
he start talk to me some way, and he must show some type of way when me never know of him. Like me not really like things.
Why you have too nice to you, or what? Explain yourself. Because I understand that. Because me I tell him, like he treat me good and me like him as my son-in-law. Hope you know about that with the cheat on him and come call up his name to me to come tell me no foolishness or no lie about him, you know. Because a good man that, you know. The other day, me there in a supermarket, you know. And me say, the amount of things when he see me, hey, him buy one heap of something for me. The things that want me take up, I him pay for. Then he go for one extra. And pay for, and guess what you pay for, no, me girl? In card. The one I use overseas. Master, and a Jamaican card, them day.
Mommy.
Well, if I money, they for me. And when he done, he turn around and give me one little money in my hand. It's sweet, me, so you better not let them the kind of man there.
Mommy, it's not all about sweets. It's what about my happiness? What about what make me comfortable?
So you're not happy?
About
Then the kind of man they have to make you happy. Him can't do you nothing. Him can't do you nothing to hurt you. Then the man that will make you happy as ever. And the best man out of all of the man them when me see you take up in a real life is the best man that me see you take up and will treat you good and treat me good as a mother-in-law.
Is all of that I care about? And treat you
no,
good
me
as
care
a
about
mother-in-law?
you, me care about him, me care about myself, and all when they do for you and do for me, me thank God.
Mommy, me tell us I move different from telling about my
like
birthday.
How?
Like,
you and he not take disadvantage of you, I don't know.
Well, he lit me one time.
You know what I say? I don't believe you. And if you say it again, say put your hand on you, you would have to prove that to myself. And if me prove you and me see you true, I would have give you wrong same way. You know why? Because the type of person who him is. You are not the type of somebody there. And me know you see. You will make him get ignorant to piss him off and then problem come up. And say you cause conflict and then I come call me. What you think me I go do? Call him and cuss him. No, I'm not going to do that. You are the problem. You is the problem.
Me I problem.
You are a problem.
How me
And
are the
what
problem, mommy?
You know why you know me stay already. Me don't know where you call me for. What make you call me? You is my daughter, yes, and me know, so you can call me sometimes. But just when they call about my good son-in-law, be careful of what they say about him. Because you is nothing like him. You know nothing pertaining to him. What can you do? What are you putting on the table? What you bring to the table? Tell me. Everything at him give you. At him make you look so. At him make you have everything where you have. And if he give you one box one time, you know, just take you one box and done. Because me know say, you know, this get up and back to say, you know, I have to you do something, make you do that, you know.
Mommy, you know what? Mommy, have a wonderful day. Because me can't believe say, as a daughter, me call you and explain something to you. And you tell me say, must take one lick from a man. Once a man lick you and a mommy, he will lick you again. What you tell me say? He start move different, he start treat me certain type of way. And me tell her all of that. And you tell me say, me must take everything when I do me because of money, because of sweets.
He's a liar. Maybe you want new man, you find out one can tell lie. I tell lie funny man. He's a liar. He's a liar. Me not believe you. Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. If you stop tell lie funny man, when the man they not do nothing and they take you around. You not act like a same man. They my idiot. And the one they not help you no.
Mommy later. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, bro, I really that type one, you know.
What do you mean?
Yeah, man, they tell me say, yo, for your girlfriend, I go for your birthday and one bag of something, bro. Probably, you know, I don't know from what they me see them a par around so one Rasta, you know. When you highway boss, you see me?
What do you mean highway boss? We are talking about.
Brother, you know go, you bro, go watch out now. Right now, if you go, a club where you work. Right now, I feel a girl did it right now. I want bag of something.
Let me tell you this, brother. I true you talk to me, a fox you talk, or I just think we talk.
Me a chat, bro. Me have a talk to you and tell you thing what me don't know. Say a fox, bro. Bro, watch out now. I know, watch out now. Me not gonna say me see two of them certain way, but I will be see with me yai.
Oh.
You see me? Yes, man. And right now, you go check. Right now, you go check on something. You might find your woman and wind up in front of the highway right now. Cause highway is a man like this, you know. Anything you see you want, you know, my friend, and you know, I go ram for put all lyrics, all if you know, say a female girl or a female girl, you don't care. Yeah, man.
You know, so me no vex with highway boss. Me can't vex with highway boss.
What?
Right now, if female woman really, I go style me. Cause right now is a muscat, I just put in a freezer so I make it chill for when she forward in certain time, you know. Cause he say ropes, so I'm not going to pressure certain things. Cause as me say, me give her until certain time so he can forward in. Yo, so hold on, brother. Make sure say I no go round thing, you go round me, you know.
Bro, no, if you go round, right now if you want live direction, me can line up that for you too if you want. You can find it, because I know you not to know the place to that certain way, but watch out. It's a little ends off club certain way, you know? Yeah, man. So if you want the live location, you make me know. And make you get the live location and find your woman.
Alright, send it to me. Come just want to know, brother. You know, so we have enough to get a road. You know, few things not normal, but it's just that because I invest so much in a she, in family and them thing that I never really want, you know, certain way, but long and short. Alright, send the location to me, everything good. We just go and sit down and hold a drink and think about it. Cause if this thing...
Yo, me know what you think about it and go mad, you know?
No, I'm not mad, man.
I did sitting there, man, young
Brother,
man,
listen.
Yeah.
That not mad, me, man. We just want to have a comprehensive knowledge of what I go on. Simply, you know, brother. Cause you don't know my thing going on. Me name Kenny King, you know. You understand me? I say.
You name Kenny. Me know say you name Kenny, but Kenny have telling to man just you talk about drink, man. You're not afraid. It's selector man can wear your woman.
Alright, send the location. Just send the location. Yo, look come on, send the location.
Alright,
See?
Right now.
Yeah, man. Cool. Respect.
You don't know time.
Yeah?
You don't know time.
Oh, yeah. But
You don't know time.
my birthday still a going.
What mean say birthday still a go on? Eh?
What happened?
What mean say what happened? Nothing happened, not true. Eh? Nothing happened, not true. Eh? Nothing happened. You feel say a joke thing this? Eh?
No, I can't even. So angry.
What mean someone say anger? What you talk about? Wanda, ease yourself. Say, ease yourself, Wanda.
Relax, babe. Where
Run.
What?
Run.
Run for what?
You hear me say for run?
Run for what?
Run.
Kitty.
Yo, I kill you if you kill you, you know?
Kitty, you really shot
What mean say me really shot you? Hmm?
Why you do that?
Eh? You take Kenny for idiot? Eh? You take Kenny for idiot? Eh?
Kitty.
Yo, come on here. Come on here.
I was doing fine on my own. Had my dreams, never needed nobody to call my own. Then you came along. Yeah. Early morning, late at night, working hard to build my life. I had no time for promises, no room for sweet talking lies. I watched my heart, I kept it safe. Love was never in my place, but you kept knocking at my door. Then I finally took your hand. I told you I was scared to fall. You said you'd never let me down. And little by little, wall by wall, I begin to fall.
I let you in
when I swore I never would.
Gave you my heart
that I protected like I should.
I brought you home,
let my family call you friend. I never knew you'd be the one to break my heart in the end. Oh, I let you in.
I let you in.
You can dress confidence, money talking, looking right. Mama smiled and daddy said, maybe this one treats you right. Everybody saw the shine, nobody saw behind your eyes. And I defended you each time. My own heart whispered, think twice. Cause I believed the word you said, believed the future that you drew for someone who never wanted love. I gave too much of me to you.
I let you in when I swore I never would. Gave you my heart that I protected like I should. I brought you home, let my family call you friend. I never knew you'd be the one to break my heart in the end. Oh, I let you in. I let you in. Funny how I wasn't searching. Funny how you made me choose. Funny how the one who taught me love was the one who made me lose. You didn't find a broken woman. I was whole before you gave. You asked me for my trust and turned around and made me pay. I let you in.
Past every wall I'd ever made.
I gave you love
when walking out would have kept me safe.
I brought you home, put your name beside my name.
And after everything I gave you,
You still walked away.
but hear me now.
You may have broken what we had.
You didn't break the woman
I was before you came.
I let you in. And I learned to close that door again.
I was doing fine on my own.
I'll be fine on my own.